thank you very much for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoy it. As you can see, I'm just putting some glue here onto this piece of PVC sheetboard, which is what I'm using for the template. Just smoothing it out there just to spread out the surface area of the glue to increase contact. So now I'm putting the piece of paper onto the PVC board. You've got to be very careful when doing this to make sure you don't bend the image or anything like that when you're putting it on there. So here I am just roughing out this knife template on my bandsaw. I'm going to be really careful not to get too close to those lines so you've got a little room for leeway when you refine it more. Now I'm refining the shape more, bringing it as close to the line as possible on my belt grinder. You can see I'm adjusting the tracking there so I can get into the corners a little bit better. Now I'm just improving those lines there with the hand files just so I can get into those spots that are really difficult with the grinder. Now I'm using the rotary tool just to clear out all those lines and really make them consistent. You've got to be very careful to very lightly touch it and move along very consistently, otherwise you'll start putting little grooves and stuff in your knife blank and you don't want to have that. So just be very careful on the template, you don't want to mess it up from here, you're already too far into it.
Study the classes, that's where I'm coming from. And you got them classic lines that make me...
Alright, so there you guys go. Cut out the template there very nicely, shaped it up a little bit, drilled the holes in. There we go. Hope this video has really helped you guys out on making a nice template for any sort of knife. You know, I tried to use as many different tools as I could in this here to show you guys that you don't need to use certain tools. You know, you can just use anything really. That anything you got, you can use. You know, anything that'll fit the job. So there we go. Hope this video has helped you guys out. See you later.
And in an ipso facto way, well, I gave you all my sympathy. You tore 'em up just like you ripped